Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to share with you guys a new video, unboxing video here. And I'm so excited because I've been kind of curious, and I know I've been addicted to this shop, but yeah, I don't really care. So this is what I got. I don't know if you remember my Valentine's video, but this is the same shop as where I got this. So this shop is called Nicole, and I've been loving their bags, and I've been loving their items because they're just like, you know, the designer dupe bags, and they're perfect because their packaging is amazing and it's really perfect. Like, you could order and then send it to the person you're going to gift it to, because that's what happened here. And I'm so excited. I want to thank you, whoever got me this. Thank you, because they actually just asked me what I really like, and so I said I wanted this, and so that's why they got me this. So I do know what it's in, but I don't know the quality of this one yet because I haven't really checked, or I haven't really bought this kind of design in that shop. I only bought one. Well, technically it wasn't me. My fiance that time bought me that. Don't worry, it's not my fiance who got me this, so yeah. And the person gave me this is a girl, so please, no judgment here. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing. I'm rambling. So here is the scissors, the epitome of scissors. By the way, let me know if you guys like this background more, and if you hear some like extra backgrounds or extra noise, because I'm not really sure. It's squished, but I'm okay with it. So this is what was this popped up to me right now, but I don't really care, it's fine. So here is the item. It's in this box, and here it is. See, it's Nicole, and I'm kind of excited because this is the first time I got, or this is the only time that I got one that's deformed, and usually the boxes are not deformed, so I'm kind of really disappointed, but still, hopefully they pack it nice next time. I think I decided the courier broke the paw, but yeah, so it's not locked, but this is how it is. And yeah, like true unboxing, I'll open it like this. Something fell, so here it is. It's really cute because it has these thank you cards, the Nicole card here, which is the thank you for your order. Your purchase is really appreciated. We hope this package brightens your day as much as your order made ours. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see pictures, videos of your new purchase. So here it is. I might tag them with this because I wasn't able to tag them with my other bag. So yeah, I got it with this. And here, thank you, it girl. So this is the thank you card, I guess, and then this is a different, that's like the calling card or something. So here it is, and look, there's like this nice sticker for the thank you, and it says Nicole, and then hopefully you don't tear it because the others are actually tore. So I'm really careful about this because I really don't want to tear it. Okay, so far so good. And here it is. I don't know if it could be seen, but I think I can see the handles. So let's put that amazing, or not so amazing box, but yeah, it's in this, so it's well packed. And usually this is stuffed with something inside so it won't be deformed. And so, well, obviously it's a dark bag, and I've been getting back to darker bags because I rarely go for darker bags because I really don't like a lot of dark bags, because before I actually had 65 black bags. Honestly, that's crazy, but I did have 65 black bags, but it's okay. So here it is, and this is black. Ta-da! So it is the dupe for a Lady Dior. So here is the handle like that. So here's what it looks like. And honestly, what I'm gonna do with this, because usually the Lady Dior with this size doesn't have a zipper, it usually has just a flap, but I'm okay. This is much more secured actually, but I will put this here. Wait, I will close it first, and then I'll put the extra zipper side inside. So it won't bother me because I don't like it like popping out because like it looks ugly. So here is the bag. It's really really cute. And look, it still has plastic covered here, although this is not white, so you won't really be staining it. But yeah, look, it's stunning. Oh, and I'm not sure, I know that there's something extra with this. So, well, aside from that is the straps. So here is the strap. Now the strap is soft, which is nice. And this one, that's my dog. That's Denmark, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah, here it's pretty soft. It's thin, I guess, but I'm okay with it actually. I might even use the bag a lot more on like a top handle because it's really really cute, and in cute dresses that are like black, this is really cute. And here is the extra. So this one will be here. It's like a pearl detail, and honestly it's so cute. So you just hook it here. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning. There, so there is a pearl detail here. It doesn't have like the DIOR keychains on the bag, but I prefer it like this because it's, like I said, it's a dupe. And look, if you can see, the details is not the same as the pattern or the quilting of the Lady Dior. It's a lot more different, but I like the inspiration to it. It's really really cute, and the black and the size is actually perfect for me. And here's the size inside. See, I told you there's stuffing inside. Just gonna get that out. And then inside there's no pouch. There's no pouch inside, honestly. Hopefully I'll be able to find a organizer for this because this is a black pit, or technically it's a black hole. So I won't be able to see any kind of items of my stuff in here. So I might get an organizer for this one. But my organizer that is existing right now won't fit here, and it's actually black, so it wouldn't really help. So here it is. The only shiny part that you can see inside is actually the zipper that I put inside. So here it is, and so far I actually love it. I mean, I was kind of worried about what it looks like because it got deformed, but honestly it still looks great. It's still intact, and I've been loving black bags, and the perfect way for me to start a black bag is Dior, or the Lady Dior, because honestly their bags are really really beautiful and stunning. But I think it's just because of the Lady Dior that I really like the design. Maybe that's why, but other than that, I really like it. Hopefully I'll find a different color of this, but so far the one in Nicole, they don't have a different color. I think they only have the black, the white, and the pink. And I really decided on the black because I have these stunning dresses that are like Dior inspired kind of dresses, and they will look so cute with this bag. So honestly, I'm excited to dress that up. So yeah, that is for the video. I think it became more lengthy, but I'm okay with that. Go shop in this shop because it's really really great. It's worth it. Maybe tell the seller to inform them about being careful with the packaging if you really want the box to still look good. So yeah, here's the bag. It's really cute, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!